Hey everyone, welcome back to the Boss Writer Academy. And so today's video is what you'll learn on this channel. And thank you for joining me again. I really hope that you subscribe, like this video right now. If you're wondering if this is just another self-publishing or just another writing channel, blah, blah, blah. No, it's not. You're going to get all of the tips, the strategies, and everything that has helped me build in such a short time. About 6 years I've been on this journey to build from first book to award-winning, best-selling, community impact leader, all these different awards and things over the course of 6 years. Now, you'll get writing and publishing strategy. I'll have help for you on how to get your book out of your mind onto paper, how to develop your book, develop your story. Probably we'll look at a video on plot and all those different things, editing, book formatting, illustrating. I have great talent in illustrating. I've given tons of workshops on illustrating, even using AI to illustrate. You'll have tons of content on that as well. Publishing, we'll learn how to publish, self-publish, hybrid publishing, traditional publishing, all those different things. If that's your goal, I'll have videos here on how to get your traditional publishing ready, all of those different things. You'll learn marketing and branding breakdowns. I have content coming up on author branding, which I kind of feel like is not a term that people use often. I feel like I just started saying author branding because I've worked in branding and just started creating this, not understanding why more authors are not particular and not strategic in how they brand themselves. You'll learn tons of content on that. We also have authorpreneur mindset, because you have to think about your book and the opportunities of your book as an entrepreneur and how to grow from that. So there'll be so much more income building tips, real stories, real wins. You will see how it will turn your book into brand, into legacy, into something that is truly impactful. Don't let this video end without subscribing. I'm so excited to get into this content. See you in the next video.